what some the auditor and went to the water to drink water. It was very thirsty, but it don't slipped and fell into the lashing river. The water was so fast that the ant could not swim to the shore at all. It, it staggered hard when its tail length, but it was getting closer and closer to being swept away. Just at that moment, a beautiful dwarf perched on a tree by the river saw this scene. Just at that moment, a beautiful dwarf perched on a tree by the which saw this scene. The dwarf feels further poor and saw at quickly plucked a large leaf from the tree and dropped the leaf gently into the wound right next to the struggling ant. And so the leaf and climbed onto it quickly, holding on tightly over it, falling off. The leaf floated slowly on the water, and finally the reed there and faithfully to the river bank. The ant was very, very grateful to the dwarf, and so swore that it would rape the dwarf one day. A few days later, a hunt came to the woods and said, "Lovely dwarf, sitting on the bench." He quietly lifted his hunt bow and aimed an value at the dwarf, ready to shoot it at any time. The dwarf was completely unaware of the danger and was still calming his feelings constantly. At this critical moment, the leader and that the dwarf had self harm need to pass by.